What is up, everyone? I'm doing another one of those POV drive videos, like my last video. If you guys haven't seen it yet, I'll go ahead and like link it somewhere. Little cruise POV video and just get some gas. Car's at E1/4, so kind of need it. Same thing like last time, you know. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just, you know, POV driving. That's all how it is, you know. I turn off my screen so it's not like distracting or anything. Weather is so nice out right now. The car says it's 72 right now. Like, that's peak, bro. Like, can't get any better than that. Until in a few months it gets like freezing, like 50s, 60s. But I'm gonna enjoy what I can right now. And then especially when snowboard season comes up, oh man, I can't wait. Yeah, we're just cruising tonight. Nothing crazy, nothing entertaining. Green. Ha! Called it. Make the leg, guys. We made it. Enjoy those downshifts, you know. I just seen a cop drive by right here. Calm down on the downshifts right now. Just get to the gas station. That's all that matters. I kind of need to do a U-turn here. I know it's an illegal U. Like hella rubbing. From the last video, I've done a few mods, so I'll show you that while I'm gassing up here. Yeah, I mean, I'd say I got some pretty good mods going right now. God damn. Did it work? Please tell me it worked. No. Alright, looks like it worked. We're just gonna put $20 in because I'm not made of money. Alright, we're just gonna wait for this 20. Yeah. I'll just show you what I got. I've got side skirts done. You can see the black bezel. I did my front lip. You can see I'm like, I'm 3 inches off the ground. I also did the fog light conversion because this car already had fog lights, but it actually, when I bought it, it didn't come with it. I guess the last people who owned it removed it or something, because their OEM wiring was there, so I have no clue. And we're 20 on the dot. Perfect. Go ahead and put that back. Get every last drop out of it for real, because we're broke and not making money. Here's how she looks. She's got the fogs on, the lights on. See the side skirts there. It looks nice. I love it. Like I said, we're like 3 inches off the floor. Yeah, like the other day, I hit like a big bump and my whole bumper and lip came off. So I like double reinforced it, but we're good now. So, you know, we'll head home and be on our way. hope it's still recording right now, bro. Second gear pull for you guys. Downshifts like mint. That was a heel toe. That was pretty mint. Not bad, not bad. And this car looks massive next to me. Car sounds so good. Pretty much still stock exhaust, just muffler delete and resonator delete. That's about it. Where are we going? A few days ago, like flooded and like washed up a bunch of rocks, like everywhere it got flooded. It's so bad. And we're back in my humble abode. Car sounds mint. Motor sounds mint. Yeah, I hope the POV drive was like all right. Hope it wasn't like bad or anything. It's kind of really all it is. Just wanted to film some, get something out again. But if you guys enjoyed, I'll catch you guys in the next one.